Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create audio spectrum music video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first thing first, we need to create new project. You can tap on video and then tap on new, and you have to choose a background for your audio spectrum music video. I'm just going to use background from InShot material. So I'm going to go to the material and I'm going to select picture category. And for the background, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm going to use this picture as the background of my audio spectrum music video. I'm going to add it to my project and I'm going to change the canvas to fit the screen. Okay, and I'm going to extend the duration. All right, and after that, we're going to add the audio spectrum effect to our project. We can go to the PIP and then go to the material, and you have to go to the atmosphere category. Okay, here you can scroll down until you find the audio spectrum effect. Wait guys, just keep scrolling down, and this is the effect. I'm going to add it to my InShot, and we have to blend it. Okay, and I'm going to click on this autofill to fit the screen. Okay, now the audio spectrum has been added to my project, and then I'm going to add another spectrum effect to this project. I'm going to tap on PIP and then go to the material again, select atmosphere, and I'm going to add this one, the spectrum. Okay, download it first and then you can add it to your project. And I'm going to click on this check mark and then make it bigger like this. Then we can add our picture to the spectrum. Right guys, I'm going to move it. Right, and I'm going to tap on PIP and then click on PIP. And then I'm just going to add this photo. We can put mask to this photo. Wait, I'm going to extend it. Okay, go to mask and I'm going to select the circle mask. Okay, and this is the final result. Now the audio spectrum music video has been created, but don't forget to add the music. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make audio spectrum music video with InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.